Thank you, Paul. Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Online Classes Himanshu Sharma. So, guys, I have explained something in my earlier videos in the topic called trigonometry. In my earlier videos, I have explained you the relationship between the angle and the side. If you can calculate, calculate the value, calculate the result of a relation. You can find out the relation between the side and the angle. Okay. In today also I am going to explain you the same topic, that is called trigonometry only, but some different problems. So, basically in this classes from now onwards I am going to explain you in trigonometry regarding the values. Means I am going to say that up to this moment you do not know what is the value of I have already told you the value sin theta, sin A, like that, cos A, like that. I am up to this moment I am already saying you the angle is theta A, like that, but I have not told you, I have not explained you if it is sin 90 degree, then what will be happen. See, basically what will be happen, basically if you put the value of theta angle, for example, if you place the value of theta is 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 20 degree, like that, then there will be specific value. For example, simple example I am giving you, if you put the value of theta in with sin, that means sin 30, the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. If you can calculate the value of sin 20, there is a specific value, fine. So, you should aware of this. Now, basically thing is that in your classes, in class 10, you do not require all the values, you require only 5 values. Okay. You have to memorize this all 5 values. What are those? Those are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So, you should aware, you should know what is the value of sin 30, what is the value of cos 60, what is the value of tan 90, what is the value of cot 60, all these values you should know, you should memorize this. Okay. So, you can also you can do also you can use the value in a problem. I will explain you the problems in my next video, but in my first video, in this problem I will explain you the table. Basically thing is that you should memorize the table, but I will explain you a technique, you can use the table without memorize it. In your exam also you can use the table, without memorize, because I have a experience, as my personal experience. I have done a mistake in my class 10 exam. I have put the value of tan 30 in place of cot 30. So, that was my mistake. So, I am still I am feeling guilty for that. Okay, no issue, but you should not do that. I am going to explain. First I will show you the table, then I will show you a technique. You can use the technique without memorizing the table. Okay. So, guys, please stay tuned with me. Okay. See, first I will show you the table. Okay. So, what is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and 1. If you are coming to cos, then you should reverse the way, that is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. When you are coming to tan, in case of tan you can calculate tan 0 means sin 0 by cos 0 means 0 by 1, 0 by 1 is 0. 30, tan 30 means 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So, calculate 1 by root 3. 45, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Cancel it, 1 by 1 is 1. Understood? Okay. And 60, in case of 60, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Cancel it, 2 root 3 by 1 is root 3 and 1 by 0 there is no specific value, that is why you can say infinity. In case of cot, just reverse the way whatever we were doing in cos. So, it will come as infinity root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. In case of sec, now you reverse this 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 1 by root 2, that is 2. You should do the reciprocal of cos. You should do the reciprocal of cos in case of sec, and 1 by 0 means infinity. In case of cosec, you should do the reciprocal of sine. So, 1 by 0 is infinity, then 2, then root 2, then 2 by root 3 and 1. Okay. So, guys, this is the table. So, basically you should for your problems and all this, you should memorize this table. Part 1 is this. But guys, thing is that if you are going to memorize this table, sometimes you may get a difficult situation. So, if you suppose a problem in the exam is giving that cot 30. So, at that time sometimes see the situation happen, what is the value of cot 30? Is it root 3? Is it root 3 or 1 by root 3? Just gone. If the situation come, I will gone the situation. Okay. So, whatever you do, you need to do, I am giving you one simple example, one simple technique. You should first, in the exam also you can collect a rough paper, rough copy, rough page, and then you place the table. You can place the table. You can place the table without memorizing it. I have not memorized the table, but still I am remember. Okay. So, what is the technique? I will show you. Okay. Again I am showing you first before memorizing this, I am showing you the way. First you should write this one sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Then come to cos. In case of cos, you just do the reverse way, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. In case of cos, just divide this by this, this by this, this by this, this by this, this by this. So, 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, already showed you. See, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So, 2 to cancel out equal to 1 by root 3, right. Cancel out 1, 2 to cancel out root 3, infinity. In case of cot, just do the reverse, just do the reverse way. Understood? Understood? Just do the reverse way. In case of sec, just do the reciprocal of cos. So, 1 by 1 is 1, reciprocal of cos 30, root 3 by 2 it was there. So, it should be 2 by root 3. See, 1 by root 2, that is root 2 by 1, root 2 and 1 by 0 is infinity. Similar way, cosec just do the reciprocal of sine. Understood or not? Okay. So, that is the way. Now, I am going to explain you how you are doing it without memorizing. See. Okay, from this I hope you have understood that if you have the table, if you have the row of sign, rest you can calculate it, right or wrong, right? If you have the value of all value of sign, then you can calculate it all other. Okay, good. Now see how I will do it. Okay. See, just take the first row of sign. Just write down the numbers from starting from 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Now divide this, divide the all numbers by 4, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Okay. Now take the root, take the root of all the number. Okay. So, 0 by 4, this is also 0. So, ultimately the root over of 0 is 0. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 means root over of 1 by 4 means root over of 1 square by root over of 2 square. So, 1 square means 1 by 2. So, the value is 1 by 2. Understood, guys? Okay. Next is 2 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 2 by 4 equal to, just cancel 2, root over of 1 by 2 means root over of 1 square by root over of 2 equal to 1 by 2. I cannot do the square root because 2 is not a square, 2 is not, I cannot express 2 as a square of any one number. So, it is root 2, that is 1 by root 2. Okay. Understood or not? Now, next is root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4, it will not cancel out. So, root 3 by 4 means 2 square equal to root 3 by 2, that is why the value is root 3 by 2, and this is 4 by 4, root over of 4 by 4, root over of 4 by 4, cancel it, this is 1. So, 1 means 1 square is 1. See, now you have the value of sine, sine 0 means 0 degree sine, understood. Now, you can calculate cos, how you will do? Cos, just do the reverse, 1, here is say root 3 by, and here is 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by 2, and this is 0. Now, this is tan, 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 cancel, both the denominator of both the number is cancel out. So, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1. So, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 to cancel out. So, this is root 3, 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay. See, understood? Now, cot 0 means just do the reverse, infinity root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, sorry, this is not 1 by root 3, this is 1 by root 3 and 0. Now, this one is sec, just do the reciprocal, 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, to infinity, then is cosec. Cosec again do the reciprocal of sine. So, 1 by 0 is infinity, 1 by 2 means 2, that is root 2, then 2 by root 3 and 1. See, understood guys? So, that way you can calculate, that way you can use the table without memorizing it. You can use this in the exam hall. In the exam hall, what you need to do, you can do one thing, you can collect a rough paper from the examiner, then you can in the rough paper you should write the table, then you are going to use the values of this in your problems. Okay. So, this is a simple technique, this is a short, this is a easy technique. You can use the table without memorizing it. Basically the table you should memorize it, but I am asking you, I am saying you, do not memorize, just do the technique. Without memorizing it, you can use the table. In the exam hall also, you can write the table like that, then you use the problem, use the values in your problems. Understood guys? Or should I repeat once again? Okay, I just repeat once again in the value of first. So, in where if you have the row, if you have the value of first row, that is sine, then you can calculate the all other. So, what you need to do, first you write 0, first for sine you should write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then divide all the number by 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, then take a root over of all the number, root over of this, root over of this, root over of this, root over of this. So, 0 by 4 basically 0 is 0, 1 by 4 means 1 square by 2 square. So, root over will be cancel out 1 by 2, 2 by 4. So, 1 square, 2 by 4 means cancel out 2, this 1 means 1 square by root 2, 3 by 4, so root 3 by 4 means 2, then this is 1. And then in case of cos, just do the reverse, simple, just do the reverse, right. In case of tan, just do the divide, 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by root 3, 1, okay, understood guys? That way. In case of sec, just do the reciprocal of cos. In case of cosec, just do the reciprocal of. In case of sec, just do the reciprocal of sec, cosec, and in case of cosec, just do the reciprocal of sine. Simple. Or you can do the reverse also. Same thing will occur. Okay, guys. Thank you. I'll explain you. I'll show you some problems on this. I'll show you some problems on this in my next video. Hope you have understood the table. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.